Good morning, everyone. So I hope you have understood adverbs a little bit. I agree you will not get everything in the first go, but little bit you should be able to do. Now, it's just the same that I'm going to tell you today, but we'll do the other exercises now. Remember adverbs. What are adverbs? The words which add some meaning to the verbs, some additional information about the verbs are called adverbs. Some additional information about the verbs are called adverbs. The adverbs tell us how, when, where, how much, how frequent, or why the work has been done. So, as we did last time, there are number of kinds of adverbs, but we'll do basically 4 kinds which you need in class 4. Adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. Now, adverb of place tells us where the work has been done. Like, she's sitting outside. What is the place here? Outside. Father came here. Place is referred to by here. He will not go everywhere. Everywhere is about the places. Here we get the answer for where. Where. We get the answer for. If you try to ask a question, you'll get the answer for where. Use where for adverb of place. Next is adverb of time. For this you need to ask a question asking when, because if you ask for when, the answer will come as time. He will come here tomorrow. When will he come here? Tomorrow. They came at 5 o'clock. When did they come here? 5 o'clock. She reached her class early. When did she reach? Early. So when you ask for when, it is adverb of time. So always try to ask a question. Always try to ask a question and you will get a answer. That will also tell you which kind of adverb it is. Adverb of frequency tells us how many times the work has been done. Not in number, but in some other words they tell you. She often talks about her parents. Often means very many times. Often means very many times. She many a times talk about her parents. They never watch Hindi films. Never means kabhi bhi nahi. So, never means never, not even once. He rarely plays cricket. Rarely means few times. Once in a while. So, this tells you adverb of frequency. Tells you adverb of frequency, how many times. Next is adverb of manner. This is the easiest of all which you have been doing till now. It tells us how. The question asked here is how the work has been done. He writes slowly. How he writes? Slowly. They walked out suddenly. How did they walk out? Suddenly. She immediately did her work. How did she do her work? Immediately. So usually the words added by adding ly are used for adverbs of manner. Now your exercises are: have you at any time been up in a balloon? Page 104. Have you at any time been up in a balloon? At any time means ever. Ever. The sun shines in every place. In every place, one word for it, everywhere. Now and again, she works quite hard. Now and again means sometimes, not always. I found the way without any difficulty. I found the way easily. Something which is not difficult is easy. Do the work at once. At once means immediately. She will come here in a short time. Short time means soon. Don't we say do it soon? Means do it in a short time. He goes to the temple every day of the week. Every day of the week is daily. We come to school daily. We eat daily. We bathe daily. So, He does his work without any care. Without any care means carelessly. Some teacher tells don't work carelessly, means don't work without care. You should work carefully. All at once the dog barked at us. All at once something happens. So we call it suddenly. She arrived before the fixed time. Something must have been fixed. Like the school time fixed is, let's say 8 o'clock. If you reach before it, we say you have come early. She waited with patience for a bus. Patiently, this everybody knows. Patiently. Teacher says no. Wait patiently for your turn. She visited us very many times. Very many times? Frequently. The train arrived after the fixed time. The time was given 12, but the train came after it, so it was late. The train arrived late. The child replied without any fear. Without fear is? The child was bold. Don't we say, she's very bold, he's very bold, not scared of anything. Now, how to make adverbs from adjectives? Like adjectives are there for nouns, adverbs are there for verbs. Now, with the same verse, as I told you, when we can make adverbs from the adjectives. Somebody is very careful, so we'll say working very carefully. Cruel, we'll say cruel. Rude, rudely. Noisy, noisily. Lazy, lazily. Greedy, greedily. Happy, happily. Wise, wisely. Merry, merrily. Polite, politely. Idle, idly. Not doing anything is idle, idly. Steady, steadily. Now, fun task we are not doing. Fun task we are not doing. Fun corner I have sent you. You have to write few sentences about your mother. So just write. First you write yourself. Then you can check with my answers. First you write yourself. Then check with my answers. And put a photograph of your mother here in this box. Okay. Fine children. Any problem you can ask me in the online class. Any doubt you ask me in the online class, and keep revising. Wish you a happy learning. Bye.